Hello, hi, my name is John. I come from Ireland. I have a sort of a sideline, which is painting, and I've been painting for a long time now. I've had approximately 20 exhibitions over the years in Ireland. We're planning to offer a course that will have 12 parts to it, each one covering a different aspect of the artistic approach. I'm going to cover a lot of the skills and techniques that an artist would need, and people are then free to pick 10 of those. Still life, for example, landscape painting, portraiture, abstract painting. And there'll be a couple of surprises. I have a very interesting project for our first class that people will love, I guarantee it. So it's going to be fun, it's going to be social, we're going to have a great time. We're going to use any English we have to do it, and people are going to end up with something that they'll be very proud of. Anyone can paint. Anyone can paint. They don't have to be an artist per se. They can paint and they can enjoy it. And that's what I want to encourage, that the act of doing something, getting stuck in, rolling up your sleeves, and with a little bit of guidance, a little bit of know-how and academic input from me, they'll produce something that they're happy with. That's the point. The benefit is in the doing. It doesn't matter. The finished result is not the object of the exercise. The object of the exercise is the doing. The doing is the therapy. Most of all, I'd like to plant the seed in their head that they can do anything they try to do. To whatever level is not the point, but they can do it if they try. And I really do want people to come and be open-minded and try. Have a go. Roll your sleeves up. If it's not perfect, tear it up. Start again. There's nothing precious, and there's nobody here going to judge you on the basis of what you've done. Come along and see. Come and see it, folks.